bienvenidos to my channel. Yo me llamo Kelly and this is Adventures in Spanish. And this lesson is for you if you like to walk in the great outdoors. ¿Listo? Vamos. Okay, so you might like to caminar, yeah? Caminar afuera, outside, ¿sí? Like me. A mí me gusta caminar afuera. Me gusta respirar el aire fresco. I like to respirar, breathe the fresh air, el aire fresco. So this video is about just that. Key words and phrases that you can use when you're out and about on a walk. Different to if you're going, trekking or hiking in a mountain, although I will bring some words around that into this video. But this isn't a video for mountaineering or rock climbing. I've done another video about that. This is more for if you like to go out for a walk for the day. See? So the first verb that I mentioned already is the verb caminar. Caminar, yeah, AR ending verb. And if I want to say that I like to walk, me gusta caminar, me gusta caminar. And if you like to trek or hike, then slightly different, it's a little bit different, isn't it? So the word for a trek is el senderismo, or you can have una caminata. Una caminata. And if we're using words like that, then we need to have a verb to say that that's what we do, yeah? So you might say, practico el senderismo. Practico el senderismo. Or me gusta practicar el senderismo. Me gusta hacer una caminata. Me gusta hacer una caminata. In Argentina, we use more caminata, una caminata. There's another verb as well that we use to say when we're going out for a walk, and it's andar. Yeah, you might have heard this one in España, andar. And what kind of things might you take with you when you go on una caminata? Or when you go to hacer el senderismo, or when you simply want to go out para caminar. The verb we use when we're talking about things that we carry is the verb llevar. We also use that when we're for clothes, yeah, what clothes we wear. So the verb llevar. And I might ask you, ¿qué llevas? ¿Qué llevas? Yeah, what do you take? ¿Qué llevas? Bueno, llevo, I take, llevo un par de botas, un par de botas. Llevo unas medias gruesas, unas medias gruesas. Una mochila. Llevo una mochila. For una caminata, for un par de horas, it would be una mochila liviana, yeah, like a light, una mochila liviana. It's not like you're going for like a big caminata in la montaña for like 2 or 3 días. You're just going for a nice gentle caminata por ahí, yeah, con una mochila liviana. And inside, adentro de mi mochila, I'll probably have un mapa, muy importante, un mapa. Llevo una brújula, different to una bruja. Una bruja, no llevo una bruja en mi mochila. Y una vianda, llevo una vianda en mi mochila. I've probably also got una botella de agua. ¿Sí? Llevo una botella de agua. Unas gafas de sol. Unas gafas de sol y una gorra también. una gorra. And if you're going for una caminata in Inglaterra or Escocia or Gales, you are obviously going to need una chaqueta impermeable. Una chaqueta impermeable. Okay, so you've got all of your equipment ready. And now you want to know, ¿dónde vas? Yeah? ¿Dónde vas a caminar? Or, ¿dónde vas a salir? So, vamos a la montaña. Vamos a los cerros. Yeah? Vamos a los cerros. Vamos al distrito de los lagos. Vamos al distrito de los lagos. O vamos al sendero costal. Vamos al sendero costal. And I'm saying al. I'm not saying a el. Because when we have a and L together, it becomes al. Different to if you've got, so when I said to the mountains, yeah, a la montaña, but you can't have a and L, it becomes al. So what about your route, yeah? La ruta. ¿Es una ruta fácil? Una ruta fácil. Una ruta moderada. Una ruta moderada. Maybe quizás con unos cerros, un poco de inclinación. O una ruta difícil. Una ruta difícil. So you've worked out what you're going to wear, qué ropa llevas, dónde vas, where you're going. You've worked out your ruta. And so some key phrases that maybe when you're out and about and you see other people on their caminatas, you can just kind of say, can't you? Buenos días, buenas tardes, sí, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo están? But what happens if you get into a little bit of trouble? What happens if you get lost? So, disculpe, yeah, excuse me, disculpe. Estoy or estamos perdidos. Estamos perdidos. Hopefully this isn't going to happen, but just in case. Estamos perdidos. ¿Por dónde se va al? ¿Por dónde se va al? So how does one get to? Yeah, how do you get to el estacionamiento or la playa? La playa, I know that you're probably thinking means beach, but in Argentina, una playa is a car park as well. So there are two words for car park, estacionamiento and playa. So, ¿por dónde se va al estacionamiento? Or, ¿por dónde se va al café? Oh, yeah, really fancy un café, yeah? Un cortadito, or un chocolate caliente. ¿O por dónde se va a la información turístico? ¿Por dónde se va a la información turístico? And then, of course, you've got your gracias, adios, see? And if somebody, you've said you've asked for the directions or whatever, and you've had a little chat, see, and you want to wish them that they enjoy the rest of their walk, que le vaya bien, yeah? Que le vaya bien. Que se divierten, que se divierten. Que lo pasen bien, que lo pasen bien. So there we go. Some key vocab and some phrases that will hopefully help you to have more conversations in Espanol the next time you're out walking, whether it be in España or in Mexico or in Argentina, ¿no? Bueno, hasta la próxima. Adiós.